Hey Chris, this is Josh from Josh and Annie SEO. I got permission from Adam to shoot you over a video about how you can improve your online presence. So just taking a look at your website. I love the header, like your logo, like the different drop-down menus. Love that you have a click to call so they can get on the phone with you right away. I do have a question about this one because it is a different number as well as it doesn't do anything. So I'm not sure why this is here because that's the only time I ever see this number on the site. Email works nice, login is great, and then going down, you tell them all about your services, what you're all about, how um, you go through, and what you do special for everybody, and then of course financing for those that need it. Now, then I'm not seeing a ton of content. Really nice site, but I'm only seeing around like 300 words. What Google truly wants nowadays is about 1,500 to 2,000 words throughout your homepage, so that you can organically place keywords throughout your homepage. Now, what an organic keyword is a buyer intent word that someone's putting into Google in order to find your specific service. But before we get deeper into that, let's check behind the scenes what's going on. So the way we do that is with Ahrefs. That allows us to take a peek behind the curtain. The two main things we're looking for is the UR rating and the DR rating. So the UR is the strength of your website, the DR is the trust of your website, the Google places in your site. Now, ideally, we want these both to be in between 30 and 40 with a ratio of 1 to 1. That's what we call the golden ratio. Now, the way you get that is with good backlinks. Now, what a backlink is any link that leads from another website back to yours. Now, all backlinks are not created equal. For example, a backlink from Wikipedia would be an awful link because Wikipedia is a super spammy site. However, a backlink from a distinguished flooring blog would be great because that's relevant to your service. Now, another huge important thing are those organic keywords, as I was saying before. What buyer intent words are you ranking for? Now, you're ranking for 38. Let's see what they are. So, construction flooring, that's unfortunately just a generic. So, anyone who has Google can type that in. Carpet installation Phoenix. Awesome. 300 people a month. You just started moving up and you're on the top of the third page. So surprising that you are getting traffic, but hey, you're getting traffic from that. Phoenix carpet installation, same thing, third page. 250 people, but you're getting zero traffic from that because you're on the third page. Now, I don't know if you've just gotten someone to go through your site and do it for you, but these are all new, which could either mean that you've just started moving forward or that Google is finally noticing, which both take time. Now, let's check what one of these words would be in action. So, carpet installation Phoenix. That's great buyer intent word, as you saw, because 300 people are searching that a month. So first thing that pops up are your Google Guaranteed. And as good job, you are on the Google Guaranteed, which as long as you answer your phone when they call through this, because this is the tracking number, Google will say, hey, they deserve to be on the front here, or else someone else who's not on there, like the fourth ranked position, can take you over if you don't answer whenever they call. So then you get your ads. These are the people that are paying for every time for click. I know these are Thumbtack and Angie. However, they're still paying. If I would click on this, Angie or Thumbtack would be charged. Then you have your GMB. Now, it's super important to get on this because 30 to 40% of all people will stop right here and pick one of these three people. That's just the easiest thing to do. Then you have your organic rankings. This is by strength of website. Now, we're not going to count Home Depot because that's a franchise and a crazy, yeah, it's a crazy franchise. So you're going to go your Yelp, your Angie, your Home Advisor, House, then you're going to get Gonzalez Flooring. So let's check out what they're doing in order to be the second real position. So Gonzalez and Sons, they have a nice homepage. They have their abouts, their services, their blog, what type of floors they work with, and then of course, as you can see, they have a decent amount explaining what they do. They have a decent amount of content. Now let's check behind the scenes and see why they're doing that well. So first off, they got a strength of 21 and a trust of 4.3. and they're doing a pretty good job with backlinks. They have 429 different backlinks helping them along. Now they're still growing, and it's still good to add on backlinks to get stronger. So you can, of course, you want to be position number one. But as you can see, they have 658 different organic keywords. So let's check out what their keywords are and how they're ranking for them. So carpet installers, Phoenix, 250 people. Position number 7, which is about the second or third actual position, and they're getting 23 people from that. Carpet replacement tile, that's, or replace carpet with tile, that's a generic search. Carpet installation, 300 people. As you saw, they were in like the third or fourth. They're only getting 9 people from that. So they have stuff they can work on to build that up too. Phoenix tile installation. They're in the 8th position, which is around the 5th organic. They're only getting 7 people from that. So they have stuff they can work on. But as you see, as you go up in the rankings, you get the more organic traffic because more people come to your site. The average is when you're in the top 3, you get around 8 to 10% of the traffic that's from the volume. So if we're looking to beat them out and get all that traffic, first things first, you got to add those backlinks. You want to beat out your competitors as far as backlink wise. So what you would go, you would take all of theirs, add them to yours, because your 150 are doing a decent job. You add their 400 that are getting them higher than you, and that'll help raise your URDR rating. As well as you want a little more content on your site, 1,500, 2,000 words on your homepage, as well as 5 to 750 words on all of your service pages, so that you can organically place buyer intent words, so Google will know what to rank you for. And of course, rank you for actual buyer intent words. So I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to reach back out to me. And if you could leave some feedback, that would be awesome. You have a nice rest of your day.